From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for October 20th, 2016. In just a moment, we'll be taking a look at the EURUSD, the euro versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. But first, a recap of yesterday's trade suggestion. We were looking at the USD JPY at support right around the 103.20 level. Yesterday in the morning analysis video, I discussed this level or this area highlighted between the green and the orange shaded area. We looked at that area, the 100 period moving average sitting down here into the low 103s, historical resistance and support along the green shaded area. Let's go ahead and zoom in at one time here on the daily time frame. There it is again there. You can see the 382 Fibonacci retracement level living at 102.89 of this previous leg of the uptrend. So looking for support here into the green shaded area yesterday. And as you can see, the market did indeed find support above the 100 period moving average. The green shaded area bounced up, currently sitting right around the 40 pip mark here for the US yen. Of course, we're targeting the orange shaded area as our first resistance target. And of course, if the market can go significantly long dollar, we'll look for the break above 104.25 and the continuation of the uptrend. But right now, we're kind of stuck between the orange and the green shaded area. So at this point, we need a breakout. If it turns around, takes us out of the trade at break even, which we're locked in break even now, if it takes us out and breaks through the green zone and goes lower, we look for the breakout and the change back to a downtrend. If it can break through the orange zone, we'll look for the next leg of the uptrend for the US yen. Okay, let's move on over here to the euro dollar. Significant volatility expected today. We did get the bid rate news, the interest rate news just a little while ago, about 15 minutes ago or so. No change in interest rates, but the market's kind of waiting right now to see what the ECB press conference will have to do with the euro. That's coming up in about 25 minutes from the recording of this video. That could change everything that we're seeing here on the euro dollar. Could cause either it to go up or down depending on the language used during that press conference. Interesting is, though, we have U.S. data at the same time, Philly Fed unemployment claims coming up at the very same time as that ECB press conference. So we could see some extreme volatility on the euro. So what we need to watch for is indications of a breakout, waiting for the real deal setup, not just some knee-jerk reaction to that news, but a real deal setup. So in this case, I'm looking for a breakout and an open and close, either above resistance to signal some more upside or an open and close below support to signal some more downside. Let's go ahead and zoom it in one time here on the daily time frame. And of course, the blue shaded area is our resistance. That's 1.1 thousand. And over the past couple of days, we actually sold 1.1 thousand. Some folks taking profit all the way back down into the 1.0950s towards the orange shaded area. So significantly, well, not significantly, but a profitable trade nonetheless, from 1.1 thousand back down to the orange shaded area where our current support is. So it's not too difficult to discern where our support and resistance are, the orange zone and the blue shaded area. We'll watch the press conference. We'll watch data coming up in about 20 minutes or so, 25 minutes. If it breaks out above the blue zone, we look for the continuation higher and reversal here of the current trend and momentum that this currency pair has been in, which has been bearish. But above the blue zone, we'll look for back into the mid to upper 1.1 thousands. On the other side, if we see a breakdown of the euro goes weak, and we see the breakdown of 109.50, 109.20, we could see the significant move all the way back down into the low 1.0800s, the green shaded area down here at the bottom of the chart. So what we need to see here on the euro is movement and a breakout above the blue zone or below the orange zone today for the euro dollar.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.